Hello, I would like to thank the National Center for recognizing Unity Clinic at the University of Oklahoma Health Sciences Center with the 2023 George E. Thibault, MD Nexus Award. I'm Dr. Katie Elliott, Chair of the Interprofessional Educators and Practitioners Association. As Oklahoma's major health professions educational institution, we lead workforce development with an annual enrollment of over 3,500 students. Unity Clinic is the term chosen by our students to describe their interprofessional clinical experience. Students from all 7 health sciences colleges and the School of Social Work are invited to contribute in addressing the health disparities of the state of Oklahoma, tackling access to care issues, and improving health outcomes through collaborative care models. From research initiatives to practice modeling, Unity Clinic provides a hands-on experience where hundreds of learners can observe firsthand the impact of healthcare systems on populations and communities. The depth of Unity Clinic programming and breadth of professions included is unparalleled. This year, Unity Clinic plans to deliver programming with over 1,200 student placements, up from just 75 back in 2018. We will log approximately 5,000 patient contact hours, up from 300. We will do this with the assistance of students from 18 different programs, providing team-based collaborative care to well over a dozen community partner agencies. Unity Clinic strives to be the national leader in student-led, faculty-supervised healthcare while building a culture of belongingness among the campus community. We congratulate our hundreds of students, faculty, and staff who have contributed to the creation and continued work of Unity Clinic. You represent the future of healthcare, and we commend you for the efforts shown on behalf of our state and the University of Oklahoma.
My name is Dr. Daniel Jabrelli, and I'm the founder of the Unity Clinic. While at OU College of Medicine, I was able to work with over 80 students from across the OU Health Sciences Center in order to create one of the most comprehensive interdisciplinary clinics in the country. We looked at some of the different models that existed and were able to take some of the best features in order to create a comprehensive, meaningful, replicable, and sustainable models in order to care for our community. We initially implemented this at the Good Shepherd Clinic, now the Crossings Community Clinic, and were able to bring excellent care to the members of our community. At that time, COVID hit, and although that was a tragedy, we were able to take that and expand our work to administer vaccines to some of the individuals that needed it most in our community. Now, as a senior resident, I can attest to the importance of interdisciplinary care.
As the current chair, it's my intent to continue building a system that's sustainable, replicable, yet still meaningful for each participant, ensuring that we're operating at the highest scope of the training. As a current fourth-year medical student, I can attest to the daily use of team-based communication and leadership learned in Unity Clinic. It's also been rewarding to see the impact students can have on practice and healthcare systems. It isn't always easy, but Unity Clinic has created an exemplary model for student-led programming.
In 2023, Unity Clinic will operate 3 to 4 days a week with our community practice partner, Crossings Community Clinic, a local free and charitable clinic. We continue to see uninsured patients with complex health needs in a primary care setting. Over the course of the academic year, we anticipate providing over 600 patient appointments with upwards of 700 student clinical placements. With a focus on improving health disparities in the community, our health outreach teams are utilizing our mobile outreach vehicle to take teams of healthcare students to provide on-site health screenings and assessments at schools, faith-based organizations, community centers, and at local festivals and events. In 2023, we anticipate delivering care to over 500 patients with the help of over 300 students from across campus. Our teams also operate a food pharmacy initiative. This allows students from public health, social work, and nutritional sciences to collaborate on a food as medicine project that provides not only healthy food boxes from the regional food bank, but also the tools and cooking utensils to prepare them. Our diabetes education classes, shown to lower A1Cs in certain participants, is a great complement for our patients with diabetes.
Hi, I'm Rama Osman, the IPE project manager at OUHSC. As a former student in the Healthcare Administration program, I was the first operations chair and had the privilege of working with dozens of students from every program on campus to design and create the Unity Clinic model that exists today. After I completed my administrative fellowship out of state, I returned to Oklahoma to help manage our interprofessional clinical activities. Currently, our strategic plan outlines deliberate and intentional growth over the next 3 years. Our goals include purposeful clinical expansion to help accommodate enrollment needs across our campus, and intentional health outreach for sustainable partnerships focused on asset-based community engagement. A key highlight has been our work with the OUHSC Key Speech and Hearing Clinic to help introduce collaborative care models while providing free healthcare to or underinsured patients experiencing speech or hearing-related issues. This new model will highlight professional opportunities for a non-medical discipline to lead team-based care.
Here at the OUHSC Office of Interdisciplinary Programs, we're so proud to work with our student leaders and faculty champions from across campus to make Unity Clinic a success. We'd like to wrap up with appreciation for our community partners. We truly could not do what we do in Unity Clinic without our partnerships. Thank you for allowing us to bring team-based care to your communities. And finally, thank you to the National Center. We're so humbled and so appreciative of this award. Here at Unity Clinic, we're just getting started. And like IP programs across the country, the best is yet to come. Thank you.